Do you ever watch the game show Jeopardy? The host now is Alex Trebek. When I started watching, the host was Art Fleming. Jeopardy is a game show, and the hook for it is that you have to go backwards. In Jeopardy, supposedly, they give you the answer and you have to supply the question. Well, I think about inverse functions as kind of like that. You think about what a function does is it answers a question. You plug in an x value, the function is a rule for associating that x value with a y value, and that's the answer to the question. Calculating an inverse function is like playing Jeopardy. You're given the answer and you have to figure out what the question was. You're given the y value and you have to figure out what the x value was that goes with that y value. Well, in trigonometry, the usual setup for trig functions is you're given an angle and you calculate one of the ratios of sides of a right triangle that would be relevant for that angle. You calculate sine or cosine or tangent or cotangent, secant or cosecant of that angle. Well, what if you want to go backwards? An inverse trig function will give you a value of one of the trig functions, and you have to provide from that an angle that would have that value as what's associated with it by that trig function. That's what we're going to learn how to do today.